The replacement of a broken agraffe is a super dangerous, complicated, and a job that needs extreme precision. You have to take the tension off the strings, straighten out the wire, which is under very high tension in the coil, and guide the strings out of the agraffe holes before you can start the replacement process, where you have to tap the hole, one soft metal inside another soft metal. You only really get one chance not to affect the threading, the original threading, so you can install a new agraffe without any issues. There we go. We pull that tension out of the wire so it straightens out. Smooth as can be on the first wire. We've done this thousands and thousands of times. I think I've been doing this for like 35 years now. Here we go on the second string. And when I'm pulling the second string tension out of the coil, it ended up snapping back and going right through my left finger, index finger, and right in the middle. I looked at it and I thought it was through the bone or something. It was pretty scary looking, but I found myself tied to the piano like a dog in a leash because the string is in my hand. I can't go anywhere. So luckily I've got the tool set for the job in front of me, and there's wire cutters, pliers that have wire cutters on them. And I was able to cut a little length of the wire and then proceed to get this fishhook style really thick piano wire out of my finger. You can see it's right next to the bass section, so it's the thick one. That hurt. That's a crazy one. That